Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be uh, fetching and posting data to our Express server. I have this animal interface here, and this zoo is an array of object animal. Now, let's create a route app dot get, and the route is going to be slash API slash animals. So we are trying to fetch the data about what all animals are there in the zoo. So res rec request comma res is of the type response. App.get. Yeah, first we also have to create the app instance. Let's do that. Const app is equal to express. Let us also define the port. Const port is equal to 3000. And one more thing that we'll need today is app.use express.json. This is used to parse the JSON objects correctly and store them into the rec.body. So now, yeah, we send a get request, and what response we get is res.json, and we return the zoo. Zoo has data of all the animals. Let's add an app instance. App.listen. Our app will listen at console.log app is running at http localhost colon port. Yeah, there's a slight mistake that I made. This is port, not the route. Now if we do npm run start, we'll be able to access it. Yeah, so the get request results in a response that is the zoo array. This response is the same as our zoo array id1 lion yellow. Alright, so we are able to fetch some data from our server. Let's close the server and move on to how we can add an animal object to the zoo. So app.post /API /animals. Because this is a different method from get, we can have the same route. Rec is a request, and res is of the type response. we'll create firstly we'll assign the values that we get from the post request. So const what we'll get in the post request is name, color and legs. ID will not be received from through the request. So name comma color comma legs is equal to rect dot body. So whatever data we sent through the post request, it got stored in rect dot body because of this, and now we are able to access it. So these values will be populated from the request. Let's now create a new object, const new animal. A new animal is of the type animal is equal to id is const new animal of type animal. Let's see, id is zoo dot length plus 1. Name is going to be name, we don't use semicolon. Color is going to be zero color, and legs is going to be legs. So we created this new animal based on the request that we got, the post request that we got. Now we'll add this new animal object to our zoo. So zoo dot push new animal. Let's also add a little logging, console.log data received. So we have the push route as well. Now let's again run the server, npm start. Here we have this get endpoint. Now we need to make a push request, not post request. For that we will use postman. Let's open postman. Continue without an account for now. Localhost colon 3000 slash API slash animals. We want to send a post request, and the body is a JSON object. So what were the parameters? Name, color and legs. Name is, let's say, a dog, and color is, we have a white colored dog, and legs, dog has 4 legs. We put these in quotation marks. Also these values are strings, so we put these as well in quotation marks. Legs is 4. Now let's try to send the post request to our server. Oh yeah, one thing we forgot, we did not add the response slash yeah, res dot status 200 dot json 201 is used for status. Okay, dot json and new animal, we need to add that. Let's rerun our server. Yeah, here in the terminal logs the request is getting received, but we don't see anything in postman. Now let's make a post request once again. Send. Yeah, we see a new object that got added. Now if we make a get request to our server, we'll also see this dog animal getting added to the zoo array. So let's open the browser and refresh it. As you can see, dog has been added. So using a post request, we were able to add an object to the database, and using get